Hey everyone, in this Gimp tutorial, I'll be showing you how easy to make a neon text effect, so without wasting your time, let's get started. Alright, first open up your photo background. Just use whatever background you want. In my case, I use the brick wall photo. Now create a new layer. Name it gradient. Grab your gradient tool and pick any color you want. I want kinda blue color. Change linear to radial and find the center of our canvas. Click and drag it like this. Now get your text tool. You are free to type anything. Then align in the center. Drop it down a bit and duplicate. This time you put the text above the first text and edit, then change the font and align to the center. Now select our first text and rotate like this. Right-click the text and choose Alpha to Selection. Make a new layer. Make sure your foreground is white. Go to Brush tool and choose the pencil and adjust the size. Make it something like 6 or 8. Then go to Edit, Stroke Selection. Click Stroke, then turn off the text and rename the layer. Now you can delete the text layer. We don't need it anymore. Now make a new layer, then just repeat the whole process to our second text. Then go to Select, None. Now select the light layer. Then Layer, Layer Effects, then Outer Glow. Then choose any color you want and change the size, maybe like 15 looks good to me. Then click OK. By the way guys, make sure you download the layer effects. I put the link in the description. Duplicate the layer, go to Filter, then Blur, Gaussian Blur. Then right-click the layer, merge down. Again, same thing, repeat the whole process to our second text layer. Now for the final touches, make a new layer. Then grab the brush tool, choose the soft brush. Just copy what I'm doing. You can turn down opacity if you want. That's all for today guys. Hope you've learned something. Please subscribe if this video helped you in any way and leave a comment below. Until next time, be cool, be creative. Bye bye.